Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use CMS in Wix Studio. We'll dive into the core functionalities of the content management system, a powerful feature designed to streamline your website's dynamic content. Imagine having all your blog posts, product listings, or team member profiles organized in one central place. This system ensures consistency across your site and makes updating information incredibly efficient, saving you valuable time and effort. Next, let's set up your CMS collections. First, navigate to the CMS panel and create a new collection, giving it a clear name. Then, you'll define the various fields for your content, such as a title field for text, an image field for visuals, or a price field for numbers. You can add as many as 25 different field types. Finally, populate your collection by adding individual items or importing data from a spreadsheet, making content entry straightforward. Now, let's connect your CMS data to your website's design. You can easily link specific collection fields, like a product name or description, to text boxes or image elements on your page. For displaying multiple items, create dynamic pages that automatically generate a unique page for each item in your collection, using one consistent design. You can also add filters and sorting options, allowing visitors to interact with and organize the content themselves. Finally, managing your CMS content is straightforward. You can add new items to any collection or edit existing entries at any time, ensuring your website always has the most current information. Once your changes are ready, publishing them to your live site takes just one click. Wix Studio also offers robust collaboration features, allowing multiple team members to work on content simultaneously, making content management a seamless and efficient process for everyone involved.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.